Welcome to day 11 of Strength 30 Days of Tai Chi Daily Exercises. So today's exercise is called the Chair Assisted Leg Side Raises. All right, remember if you missed your Tai Chi video of the day, you can also see that on our channel, Begin with Breath of Tai Chi on YouTube, or you can just go in the video description and enroll for free for the whole program. You'll get each video sent directly to your inbox. All right, and so what I'm gonna do is demonstrate the movement first, and then we'll do it all together. We usually do about 10 reps for each side. All right, but first, just watch, listen to some tips that I have for you, and then we'll do it all together. All right, so you'll wanna get a chair that doesn't have wheels, or a countertop, or standing next to the wall, or something that's not gonna move is the best for safety. All right, you wanna make sure that we're not really doing a balance exercise. This is for strength of the side of the legs or your hips. So we have muscles here called the gluteus medius, and they're very weak on most people. All right, and so we want to strengthen them because they're actually very important for stability. We need them for walking. We need them for so many things. One thing we can do though to strengthen them is the side leg raise. All right, or the leg side raise, either way. All right, so I'm going to demonstrate it first. And so with this exercise, you want to make sure you're nice and tall, looking straight ahead. You can shift your weight over to one side, and all you're going to do is you're going to lift the leg out to the side and then down. All right, notice how I'm lifting it directly out to the side. So I have to lean a little bit, but not too much. All right, and so I'm going to show you from the back view, though. That's going to be a better view for you, I think. All right, and so you want to make sure that your feet maybe start off with hip width or shoulder width apart, shift your weight to one side, make sure you're holding on, and then you're just going to lift the leg out to the side. All right, notice how I'm not leaning over to get my leg higher. And so you might only find your leg goes up a little, and that's okay. The key is that you want to feel it on the side of your hip. And you might not feel it at first either, and that's okay too. But once again, the key is to stay nice and tall. All right, so breathe in and then breathe out. All right, so see how my leg doesn't go too high, because if I try to go higher, that means I have to lean and cheat, and that's not gonna help. That might actually lead to injury. Let's try the other side. So shift the weight over, nice and tall. You can have a little bit of a lean because you're shifting all your weight to that stance leg, and then lift and down. All right, so that's how you strengthen the side leg. So breathing in, breathe out. So the leg side raises is going to really strengthen those glute medius muscles. So you'll see some people that have really weak ones, you might even see them kind of waddling to some degree. So if that's you, then this is going to really help. Or you might see someone that walks and they kind of buckle a little bit. That's because that muscle is not working right. So we got to get that muscle working better. All right, let's do it all together. We'll do 10 reps on each leg, but feel free to stop shy of 10. Listen to your body. This one you might really feel it the next day too. So if you're sore, always take a day off, let your body recover. And then when you're feeling good again, you can always go back and do more. All right, let's do it all together. So we'll do 10 reps on each side. All right, so I'm gonna start by shifting my weight to my right side, and then we're gonna lift the left leg 10 times or less. All right, here we go, ready, begin. So 1, breathing in, breathing out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And make sure you keep the toes facing straight ahead. All right, shift the weight over. So you don't want to point them out to the side. Make sure they face in the same direction you're looking. That's 1, 2, breathe in, breathe out 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, so once again, the biggest mistake people make is they point their toe out. You want to keep it straight ahead. All right, so if I'm looking at you this way, let me just move this over here. So the biggest thing people do is they go here. Instead, keep the toe straight ahead versus that. All right, that works a whole different muscle on the front of the thigh. We want to work the side. All right, so that's going to go right there. All right, and so that's really one of the key points is to keep your toes facing forward. All right, that's going to work the sides of the hips and going to really help with actually stability when you're walking, running, going up and down stairs, even just getting up and down out of a chair. Having these muscles strong is going to really help. All right, and so that is your exercise of the day. Remember, just do 10 reps each side, see how you feel the next day before you increase. You can always use ankle weights to make it harder or even heavy boots. And then you can also use a rubber band if you already have been trained with it. You can do that. But if you haven't been trained with it, then just stick with the ankle weights. It's a lot easier. All right, thank you so much. Write in the comments how it felt for you, if you felt that muscle wake up or not. Let me know in the comments. All right, I'll see you in the next video.